Good morning everybody, I've literally just spent a day editing videos, so I'm catching up. Now in the last video you'll see that we got the Clio gearbox, or that I hope, to a state where it can start. So I've actually got a few more hours left of the day for shop start closing, so we're going to get a funnel, and we're going to get like a piece of hose and B&Q, hopefully find something. I'm going to get some gear oil, and I think we're going to go and start this Clio. Oh wait, is the battery dead? Oh, bollocks. So let's go to B&Q, get some bits, get some gear oil from Halfords, top up the gearbox on the Clio, and if the battery is charged, we can start it and see if I've actually fixed it. So let's go. Right, I'm gonna run in real quick and see if they've got some all the bits, and also I'm gonna go to Pound Stretcher because I feel like I deserve some sweets. I want some sweets, alright? Leave me alone. Yeah, I know I've had a £500 dentist bill in the last year, but I just want some sweets. Oh, fuck off. It's very hit and miss with B&Q, isn't it? So I couldn't find what I needed at B&Q. They had like a 5mm, which is way too short, and then like an inch, which I think might have gone in the box hole, but it was too much of a faff to risk it because it was like on a big reel. I would have had to get someone to fucking measure it and chop it. But nonetheless, I went into Pound Stretcher and I got some good things. So I got some Daz all-in-one pods, which I need for my washing. I got some Mega Mix sweets, which I need for me, and I got some socks, which I also need for me as well. So the gearbox oil change is doing really good so far. Okay, so I've been to Halford, just got 3 litres of gear oil. Yes, that's a shoe and a piece of rubbish, do not hate me. Just got Halford's oil, it's 75/80, it's the right grade. If anyone wants to kick off at me, I ain't got time for it, bro. If whoever buys the car want to put some decent gearbox oil in, they can, but most people never even change gearbox oil, so... Okay, so I found a bit of hose, which should do. It's 8mm, so that should be okay. That was costing like £4, which is fine. It's a metre long, so again, that should be okay, but it was £4, so it's fine. They're out of fucking funnels, so it's like, oh my god, like 8 shops later, and I've got a piece of fucking hose and a funnel. You're taking the piss, mate. It's dark now, I'm not going to have time to do it today. By the time I've gone and got a funnel and got to the car. So I'm going to just run to Halfords and get that other... There was a funnel in there, which I believe will fit in that small opening. So I'm going to run to Halfords now, and at least I've got all the stuff for the next day. I can come and do it, because right now it's getting too dark. Right, today we're going to be working within... Well, there was a huge lorry here, but he's over there. So if he does come back, just ignore that huge lorry. You can't even see him. The Clio is here. The Clio is here. Oh my god, I've actually already, while that truck was there, I've actually just put in my little contraption into the gearbox hole. So we're inside the gearbox now, and we're going to fill it up with some juice. I actually had a quick look round, and I think everything is ready to go. There's a little bottle here. I don't know if it's a screen wash bottle. I'm not entirely sure. I actually don't know what that is, but it's not important. Now the gearbox is totally dry, and these take 3.1 litres. There's going to be a little bit left over. So what you should use to do on top of the gearbox is put it on the floor and then fill it to the fill plug, blah, 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 blah. But just for ease of use, I'm just going to fill it up now, put 3 litres in. It's not going to come out the fill plug because it's tilting up a little bit, but I've got exactly 3 litres down there, so it'll be fine just to see if if it's working. And then obviously it's front wheel drive. We can just put the clutch on as it's in the air, not put the clutch on, but we put the selector on as it's in the air, and just start it as it's in the air, and just turn the wheels and make sure they turn. Oh my god, I'm so fucking nervous. And that way I don't need any help. I might need some help putting the selector on, because I need to put it in reverse, and then put the gearbox in reverse, and then tighten them both down, but I can get Neil. But this way, I've got it in now, I can literally just put 3 litres of oil in. Let's go for it. So there's a little butterfly valve on the side. Literally just looks like that. It's just like hand tightened, and that's the fill plug. So this might take fucking forever, but fuck it. Let's have a bit of a sing song. It's not time to make a change. Guys, I am so fucking cold right now holding this fucking thing. Honestly, I'm seriously, my hands are gonna fall off. This is the slowest, tedious thing I've ever done. I'm sat here looking like a fucking dickhead, mate, and my hands are fucking on fire. Like, they're so cold. Get this out. I mean, it was slow, but like, it did work quite well actually. I think that would have worked better than a squidgy thing, because it's actually really hard to get to. So let's just put the butterfly valve in. Well, what we need to do now is just put the butterfly in for the gearbox. Go and get the battery, it's on charge upstairs. And we just need to just sort out the selector here. So if you have a look, so this is the selector for the box. And that's the selector for the gear inside, gear lever. So we need to put this in reverse, which I believe is, so you've got 1, 2, 3, so up and back. There we go, it's reverse. So we need to put that, and then obviously just link that up to reverse and then tighten it there. Right, so we're gonna get our lovely assistant Neil with his clean trainers. So just hold it if you can, so it's up and over to the left.
Clutch down or not bother?
No, just literally just hold that in. Yeah, and just so all, and that's it.
It's very vague.
Yeah, it's not attached to anything at the minute.
Okay.
There you go, hold it like that. Yep, ignore this big lorry. It's not there, we didn't see it. So I'm gonna put it in reverse. I push it as far as it'll go. Is that as far as it'll go? Well, that's worrying. Yeah, just keep it there. Right, so it's like flipped, so that the more you push it forward, the further it comes away, so you need to be counterintuitive. Okay, come off a little bit. There you go, keep going, keep going. Right, now go all the way into reverse. Yeah, that's fine, yeah. Second, third, fourth, fifth.
The gearbox feels really, really smooth.
Right, do you want to stay for the start up, see if it works? So we have all gears, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. We have all gears and reverse. We have clutch. We put the clutch down and it comes back up. We have clutch. Feels like it might need bleeding, but we have clutch. Neil's just gone to get the battery because we've just tried to jump off this jump pack, but it's not having it, so we're going to put the battery in and then put the jump starter on that. Excited! Is it going to start? Well, it's going to start, but is it going to drive? Oh, it's just really heavy.
No way.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's really heavy. It's a cable clutch. No, seriously.
No.
It's a weighted cable clutch.
No, mate. Serious?
Yeah, so that's what they're like in these. And it's even heavier because it's got that weight on the front of it.
Brake pedal.
Oh mate, honestly, they're terrible, aren't they? Is it going to start? Ah, hang on, let's put this.
15 tons of building materials right behind you.
No, put me out in misery if I go, I'm out in misery then.
Here we go.
Yeah. We got drive, right, wait. Oh, hang on, I'm not recording. Oh yeah, I am. But let's go in gear. Actually, let's get it warm a little bit. We got drive. Are you in gear there? Right, we have drive, both wheels are turning, it's a good start. Oh wait, this one isn't, oh well. Oh yeah, no, it's fine. Right, let's go first. Yeah, go. Right, we're driving, hang on. We're driving. Right, let's go through the gears. Let's get some speed, Neil. Second, go, we got, yep. Third, yep. Yep, fourth. Yeah. Woo! Is that fifth? Sweet. Look at that, winning. Absolutely winning, we got drive.
It's getting lighter.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, let's have a feel. Traction control's kicking off. Let's turn traction control off. There we go. Right, should we get some speed now? What's smoking?
Manifold light, gearbox on? You got anything on the manifold?
I don't think so. Might have done actually. No, I shouldn't have. Let's see what's. We got a huge exhaust blow. It's coming from the manifold. It's coming from the manifold for some reason. But there we go. forgot I took this ball joint bolt off. Good job I looked. Right, sweet. Thank you, Neil. Oh, winning. I'm happy. Right, we did it. We did it. I still need to take it for a proper drive just to make sure it is actually driving. I'm glad I had a good look round because I forgot to put in one of the ball joint bolts on the passenger side, but I have got I put all the spare bolts which I've not used in here, so it'll be one of these. I hope. I'm pretty sure it's this one, or even this one, or it could actually be this one. But let's get that in. It was smoking and I was terrified. I was like, why is it smoking? But for some reason the manifold, it was just a manifold, so I'm not sure why, so I don't remember using penetrating oil. Oh no, yeah, I would have when I was putting in the power steering rack. But it's running, it goes in all gears, which I'm absolutely buzzing about. We have so many workers around me right now just looking at me like a weirdo with a camera. Happy, I said, do you need to take it for a drive, make sure it's all okay. But it sounds good, it feels good. First of all, I thought, what is that noise? It sounds horrific, but it's the truck going. I thought it was like one of the drive shafts going. I'm gonna start putting everything back together, so we need to put the airbox back in. Finish on suspension. I'm not gonna put on the wheel arches just as yet, because if I do go for a drive and something's wrong, then they're gonna have to come off. But I'm proud. I'm proud. Just finished putting everything else on, so I put that stupid bracket on. I've put all the airbox on and everything like that, so it's pretty much ready to go. What we need to do now is just take it for a proper drive. So all I need to do is just get the battery, put it on and go for a drive. So all we need to do is just put the battery in here. I'm pretty sure everything else is attached. I mean, I can just leave. Still don't know where that goes. Some sort of alarm, but I don't know where it goes. It's staying there for now. And I don't know what that's for. I think it was for a sub at one point, but everything else is all right. I think it's plugged in. So let's put the wheels back on. Oh, there's that spanner out of Wheels toolbox. I was like, I don't fucking lose any tools, you dick. Yeah, sorry. Right, here we go. The moment we've been waiting for absolutely weeks. I hope the GoPro's in a good condition. Right. Oh, here we go. Oh no, I'm so nervous. Oh my god, the windscreen wipers are bollocks. I can't see shit. Oh, I've got no screen wash, of course I haven't. Right. The clutch is so heavy. Ah! It's a good job so far. So we're basically just looking out for noises, and if anything just feels bad. I don't think I'll be able to get into like properly at fourth gear, but it was third gear that was bollocks, so as long as we can get to third, which we should be able to, as long as we don't go on public roads, feels good though, right? Right? Let's go in second. Oh, that's second. We're gonna have to do some big sends in handbrake, yeet! We're gonna have to do some big sends to get into third gear. Oh, the brakes actually work. I thought they would be. We've got reverse. Mate, it feels awesome. Like, it feels really good. It feels so smooth. Because third, we never got in third. There's third! Woohoo! I feel like an 18-year-old who's not passed his test. You can't go off the private, lad, Lee. Yeah, fuck off, man, I know. We're gonna go into third gear. Bang, baby. Could we get into fourth? It's gonna feel horrible, but there's fourth. I thought I'd at least get a little bit of like a suspension knot where I forgot to tighten something down. I hope you can see this, by the way. I gotta put the camera a little bit further down. We're just out here having a great time. We're doing 10 mile an hour. That's what it's all about, boys. This car's been sat on them jack stands for fucking, I don't know, like 2 months? Maybe? Oh yeah, this is the life, guys. I'm just sat here, 26-year-old, in a Clio, going around a private car park at 5 mile an hour, and I'm the happiest I've ever been. So yes, finally, the Clio is driving, it actually feels really good. I only just took it on the smallest test drive ever, and I will take it on a bigger one, you know, once it's all roadworthy stuff, once I've got it on an insurance policy, but I ain't got time to do that today, so that's gonna be it. I mean, it's passed. I know it's passed. She's great, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take it on one more road test just to probably make sure on a long drive, but mate, that's fine, it's absolutely fine. I'm not gonna video the long drive test because there's no point. If there is an issue, I'll just fix it. But what we're doing with this car now, if you did actually watch the start, a lot of people commented saying they want to see this going flying around the track. I don't think that's going to happen. I mean, it may potentially happen, but I don't think so. Like, if you watch the first videos of this, I actually said I've bought it just to make some money on it, so I got it really cheap. So when I sell it, I'll tell you how much I bought it for and how much profit I made doing this, and if it's worth it. I mean, yeah, we're going to sell this car. So unfortunately, everyone's commenting in the video saying they can't wait to see it flying around the track. I don't think that's going to happen. I bought it to have a little bit of fun, learn some new things, and make some money off. So that's what we're going to do. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'll let you know how much money we make on this little Clio. But thanks for watching. It's been a long journey, a fucking long journey doing this, and I've learned a lot. One thing I've learned: never do that job ever again on the driveway. So thanks for watching, everyone. We love you all, and we'll see you in the next one.